I'm Erin.
And I'm Heather.
And today we will be talking about the importance of brushing your pet's teeth.
Ideally, all pets should have their teeth brushed once a day if possible, if not at a minimum 2 to 3 times a week. And we're going to go over supplies needed for it, which is very minimum, and our pets that we'll be brushing. Our supplies is literally just a toothbrush. They do make toothbrushes for pets, which you can purchase, or you can get a toddler toothbrush because they're nice and soft. You can do that too, or they even have like the little finger brushes that make it very easy too. It is important to make sure that you have a pet toothpaste, not a human toothpaste, as it can make your pet sick. So make sure that you do have one that's meant for cats and dogs. And other than that, that's really all you really need for supplies.
And the reason for the importance of brushing your pet's teeth is that we all have plaque buildup when we don't brush our teeth daily, and over time that plaque can turn into a hardened surface called tartar. That tartar over time, when it builds up, can break down into your pet's bloodstream and cause heart issues, kidney issues, and even respiratory issues. So that's why it's very important to make sure you're taking care of your pet's teeth as you would your own. You can start the process ideally when you have a puppy, but if you don't have a puppy, don't fret. You can always start at an adult age, like Kova here. And to get them acclimated, you can put beef broth on your fingers and just kind of gently massage their gums. This gets them used to the process, and you can do this a couple times a day for a few days just to get them used to it. And then you can start introducing the toothbrush.
You see this? Get them used to that. You can sniff it, and maybe we'll rub it on your gums, lift your little lip.
And then after your dog is acclimated to that, then you want to introduce the tasty flavored toothpaste.
You want to try it first?
And you want to start off when you're brushing, doing the main molars in the back, because those are your the main chewing molars where they're going to have the most buildup.
So now that I have some toothpaste on my toothbrush, I'm just going to start with a nice pet so we don't just go diving in. I'm going to lift her little lips, and she's being really good. And so she's just letting me do a gentle brush. And it's not going to be exactly how you and I are going to brush our own teeth, but just getting them used to it. And this may take, several tries before they really get used to it, and that's okay. Move up here, and then I'm going to put some more on because sometimes they'll be eating it up. And we'll go over here. Okay, so girl.
You don't need to focus on brushing the inside of your pet's mouth because their tongues are rough enough that it will keep the insides of their teeth clean. So the only focus is just the outside.
You're being so good. Are you sleeping? There. We'll move to the front. Alright. So there's just kind of a brief look at how we're going to do it. Once you have your pet's teeth all brushed and they have their pearly whites, this is something that you'll want to keep up daily, which would be ideal. But this will just keep the habit, it'll keep them used to it, and hopefully less need for dentals or seeing dental disease, and hopefully some nice good breath from your pet too. Okay, and we're also going to demonstrate on a cat, which is not usually quite as simple, but we have lots of treat reinforcements, so we're hoping that will help. Mr. Boy? I know. Okay, buddy. Brush your teeth.
And again, another way to get your kitty acclimated to teeth brushing is using some tasty like tuna juice or dipping it in some kitty food and kind of rubbing it around their mouth with either your finger or a toothbrush. Probably not so much your finger, but a nice little soft toothbrush.
We hope that you enjoyed our video, and we wish you the best of luck for you and your pet during the teeth brushing experience.